save yourself some time by following these tips and tricks when uploading images to your listings. After a few listings, the process will only take you a minute or two. When saving the images on your computer before you upload them, make sure that you save them in one folder together with the floor plans for the property, and make sure there are no other files in this folder. Make sure that the files have short and descriptive names and that the floor plans are also correctly named. Upload all your images in one go by selecting all the files in the folder. Once all your images are uploaded, select the website marketing channel and click the Add All button. Do the same for the portals channel. Then scroll down the list of images looking for floor plans and the 4 best images that you would like to include in the brochure, and select the floor plans or brochure tag when you find them. Then go back to each marketing channel and rearrange the images in the order of which you want them to display.